Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Ford Ecosport trunk. First, let's look at the most common methods. You can use your key fob, which offers a convenient way to unlatch the trunk remotely. Alternatively, there's an interior button inside the car for easy access. We'll also cover the manual release, a helpful option if other methods aren't working. Let's get started with the key fob. Using your key fob is super simple. Just locate the button with the trunk icon, usually found near the lock and unlock buttons. Press and hold this button for about 2 seconds. You'll hear a click as the trunk unlatches, and it might even pop up a little. Then, simply lift the trunk lid all the way up to load or unload your items. It's a quick and convenient method. If you're already inside your EcoSport, you can use the interior trunk release button. This button is typically located on the driver's side, often near the dashboard or door panel. Simply press it firmly, and you'll hear the trunk unlatch. Remember, for this button to work, your vehicle usually needs to be in accessory mode or running. It's a handy option when you're ready to load up. In an emergency, or if your battery is dead, you can use the manual trunk release. You'll need to access the trunk from the rear seats, often by folding them down. Look for a small lever or pull tab on the inside of the trunk lid itself. This is usually a glow-in-the-dark or brightly colored handle. Pull this lever, and the trunk will open, providing a crucial backup method.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.